Hi guys. After I buy the second-hand steering slip ring and I install, so I noticed that I have the problem with my high beam. I cannot turn off. So the reason why I changed the steering slip ring is I didn't I wasn't be able to go through the settings on my dashboard, also the volume and the radio commands are was completely dead, so I must to change the steering wheel slip ring. So I noticed that my high beam, as you can see right now, when I press the switch, the high beam turn off, but turn on, but after I release switch, the high beam is turned off. So I try to find a couple of a solution on the internet. So I wasn't be able to find and to solve my problem. So I tried to investigate and also try a couple of the function, but really was stressful for me. So I finally got the solution, and I will show you right now how I solve this issue. So as you can see here, cannot be turned off. So for this tool, as you can see, when I pressed for this tool, for this kind of work, you need to have the VCDS diagnostic tools I have, and also the connection. So you need to select steering wheel. So after that you go to coding, long coding helper. Then you need to find where memory of there you can see a couple of options what you can turn, but you need to be careful what you do to be able, let's say, to, if something is wrong, to be able to set back in previous position. So as you can see, beat 1 on position 4 is the memory switch for high beam, so need to be turn on. So at the moment you can see that this high beam is cannot be stay on. So we click to do it. Sorry, we need to do again, something is wrong here. So coding again, long helper, find on where we say 4, click, okay, do it. Just to check if stay checked. As you can see, memory switch is for high beam is turned on. Then you can close. Okay, this is Volkswagen Passat B6 2010, almost the last generation. So as you can see right now, blink. As you can see, my left hand is is about the wheels. So as you can see that the problem was solved. So thank you for following. I know that this can be helpful for someone of you. Thank you.